Hello everyone, so as you've seen by the title of this video today, it is the end of an era. It is a very, very sad day on one account, but what is underneath here is the start of a brand new era for this channel. Anyway, hello everyone, wherever you're watching, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So, I have been saying, and I've been teasing this for a few days now, because I'm really excited about this. It's probably the most excited I have got about anything right now, over the past sort of year and a bit, because I've been planning this, what is underneath here, for a while. So, when this video gets released, I will be filming another vlog. That will be tomorrow after I have my daughter's appointment. However, right now, I wonder what's underneath here. Yep, that is right, everyone. I have now got the DJI Pocket Osmo 3, the Creator Combo. And yes, before anybody says, yes, I know that the Pocket 4 is out very, very soon. But until I see reviews of the Pocket 4 in the real world, I'm not going to be touching it. So that's going to be at least 6 months down the line. But this is going to come useful in the next few months at the very least. Got some really interesting videos planned to do with this one. But not only did I get the Pocket Osmo 3 Creator Combo, because you have to have a memory card to go with it, I had to get that one. But yeah, where I got it from, they have blacklisted certain companies because they think they're resellers, even though they will price match. Have a look at my price for this one that I've been making about the supposed leak or rumoured leak of the actual price for the Pocket Osmo 4 Creator Combo. Anyway, let's not delve into that. Let's get straight into this. So, it's not very big. Nice little packaging. What I will say before I start doing this is that anybody gets this, if you do not have the money all up front at once, to get the insurance via DJI, you have 30 days from when you turn on this particular model and to get the insurance for it. Now I'm going to be getting the 2-year version because, well, it's 50 quid for 2 years or it's 30 quid for one. It's a no-brainer. And if you get 2 years, you get up to 4 replacements to every year. So let's do this now, shall we? Like other people in the box, and I will do this gently because it has to. Because that's just me. So, obviously, you open it up. You have your silica packet to make sure nothing gets damaged and stuff like that. Then you go into here. I'm gonna do it the opposite way to what I've seen other people doing this have done. So, in the box on the side, you have this. You open it out, and you have your case. You have your case, your protective case, and that is all that is in that one. So you put that to the side. Now, the main event. In the box itself, you get the cards and stuff, the DJI store. You get a destruction manual. You get a sticker, which is going to become very, very useful because I know where I'm going to be putting this as well. So that's going to be good. Like I said, you get more instructions in different languages. So that's that part. Now let's get on to this better one. So here we go. So. Oh, very nice. And they even say on the DJI website that the logo on it, which is just there, I don't know where you can see it. Get it right the way around. Does slightly change depending on what version you get. Really compact. Then the goodies. Now I'm not going to get it out straight away because, you know, everyone's seen it. So you get USB-C cable. you get the windproof for the mic. It actually feels, if anybody knows what it's that nature, that feels like a little buddy tail. You get your wrist strap. Then you get the main additional battery. You then get the extender battery. Oh, wow, I didn't realise it was that small. You get the tripod to go with it. You get, obviously, the mic. Now that is really, really nice, I have to say. That's really nice. I would compare that actually to the mic 3 as well, because that is really nice. Aha! Now we have, and I'm not going to fully, well, I will take this up. I'll be putting it back in this cover because I want everything protected, because it's good to do that until I get a full case. What you get, the wide angle lens. Like I said, everything is so tiny, and I'm trying my hardest not to get any fingerprints on it. Now you get also as well, for your mic, you get your magnet. Nice, it's a decent weight actually for the magnet. And then of course you get this, and it feels beautiful. It feels absolutely beautiful. Slightly heavier than I thought it would be, but then again, you expect it. So let's initially do this. The weight's great to it. And then that, I have to say, despite what I've seen others say and do, that is a really firm connection on the normal size one. Then you press that, just pops that out, give it a slight pull. Obviously I don't want to damage this because I've literally just got it. Slight pull. This is a USB-C connector, which goes in to the base of there. The bigger one, there it is. Also as well, I will be charging all of these up to get everything sorted. See, it comes with, this one's come with 61% for the main camera and 55% for the big extender. So that's that. Now, as you might have seen some posts from me, I got some other things as well to go with it. Now, where did I put them before I went out? Yes. Typical me to put it somewhere and not find it again. Oh, honestly, it's in front of me. Now, what everyone needs, really, especially if you're doing outdoor filming and you want tracking, it's a nice little tripod. This is absolutely brilliant. And this is the, what is it again? That is the, it's that one. The selfie tripod. Now, what's it called? Where's it from again? Vimos. So yeah, it's that. And with that, it came with your mobile phone adapter too. It just simply screws on. But then you screw it up. Obviously you get it straight. And to release that, et voila. And you put your phone in. I would show you it in action, however, I'm using my phone for the last time to film this kind of thing on the stand, the other stand, on the old stand. But yeah, there was another thing which came through when I did that little order, and I kept it from everyone because I wanted this particular video to be the surprise. I got the K&F quad combo with the Now, let me remember this off by heart. The 64, is it 64? Yeah, 64, 16 and 256 ND filters plus your CPL filter, which basically means if you go near water, you can essentially make it look really clear. So yeah, I'll be doing other little things about this soon. So you open it up. And what I have noticed is I think this itself is quite magnetic to the case itself. It also came with a screen protector for that, so I'll be doing that later. But I didn't realise happened. So I'll just demonstrate on this with these lenses as well. With the ND filters, with the wide angle lens, it does. This is also magnetic, and it's quite easy to do. You just slot it on if you can. No, it's having a moment. It's having a moment. Yeah, well, I'm gonna have to wipe that later. But yeah, that should do, but it's not doing. So obviously this one can't stand with that one, but you get the idea. So yeah, this is now the new kit setup. I have been learning, well, I've not been too good recently, some new editing techniques, so that is going to be coming soon. Possibly in tomorrow's little vlog, which I'll be recording after the doctors, like I said. But also, this is, like I put in the post last night, this is going to be essentially a two-parter. Next month, I am going to be ordering the rest of the accessories. So yeah, that's about it. I'm really happy with all this. So yeah, anyway, hope you like this. Hope you can like, comment, subscribe. That'd be really good. And I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye for now.